Namaste, welcome back to Vtalk Studio. Today's video is really special because one of my amazing subscribers sent me chocolates. These are from the famous brand Neuhaus, and I'm super excited to open them and see what's inside. So, this is the package that I received. First of all, a big thank you to my subscriber for sending this gift. I really appreciate the love and support from you guys. However, I just want to say that you really don't have to send anything like this. Your support and watching my videos already means a lot to me. I don't usually accept gifts at all, but because you are my precious subscribers, I have accepted this one with love. But truly, your support is enough. Please don't spend so much on me. Alright, let's open it and see what chocolates we got. The packaging already looks so premium. I have to be honest with you guys, we actually couldn't resist and already opened these and ate some before starting the video. But I wanted to show you anyway. These chocolates look amazing. The design and the wrapping are really beautiful. This one looks really interesting, and here we have another one. They all look different and unique. This is really good. The chocolate is very smooth and rich. Now I understand why Belgian chocolates are famous all over the world. There are so many different chocolates here. Some look like pralines and some have different fillings. Once again, thank you so much to my subscriber for sending these amazing chocolates. It really means a lot. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Vtalk Studio. And tell me in the comments which chocolate looked the best to you. Thank you for watching.